Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Section 2.5, tips on how to enter dates and times into your work. Entering date values. Excel treats dates and times as special types of numeric values. Enter date values. Excel handles dates by using a serial number system. The earliest date that Excel understands is January 1st, 1900. This date has a serial number 1. January 2, 1900 has a serial number of 2, and so on. This system makes it easy to deal with dates and formulas. You can enter a formula to calculate the number of days between two dates. Most of the time, you don't have to be concerned with Excel's serial number date system. You can simply enter a date. Common date format, and Excel takes care of the details behind the scenes. For example, if you need to enter January 1st, 2019, you enter the date by typing in June 1st, 2019, or use any of several different date formats. Excel interprets your entry and stores the value 43617, which is the serial number for that date. If you enter January 2nd, 2019, that serial number would be 43618. Very simple. Entering time values. When you work with times, you extend Excel's date serial number systems to include decimals. In other words, Excel works with times by using fractional days. For example, the date serial number for June 1, 2019 is 43617. Noon on June 1st, 2019, halfway through the day, is represented internally as 43617.5 because the time fraction is added to the date serial number to get the full date time serial number. Again, you'll normally don't have to be concerned with these serial numbers or fractional serial numbers for times. Just enter the time into a cell or in a recognized format. In this case, type June 1st, 2019, 1200.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.